Hey there, business owners. Are you tired of waiting for customers to find your website organically? Do you want to take your online business to the next level? Then you need to know about pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. In this video, we'll show you how PPC can revolutionize your online business and bring you more leads, sales, and revenue. Let's get started. So, what is PPC? It's a form of online advertising where you pay for each click on your ad. That's right, you only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad, not just when they see it. This makes it a cost-effective way to reach potential customers who are actively searching for products or services like yours. When someone searches for something on a search engine, they see a list of ads at the top and bottom of the page. These ads are called sponsored links, and they're placed there by businesses like yours. When someone clicks on one of these ads, they're taken directly to your website where they can learn more about your products or services and hopefully become a customer. A key part of PPC is creating effective landing pages. These are special pages on your website that are designed specifically for people who click on your ads. They should include clear, concise information about your products or services, as well as a call to action that encourages people to sign up, download, or buy something. The goal is to turn those clicks into conversions, which means more leads, sales, and revenue for your business. To make PPC work for your business, you need to track your ad performance closely. This means monitoring metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per click. By doing this, you can identify which ads are working best, which ones need improvement, and where to allocate your budget for maximum ROI. It's a continuous process of testing, refining, and optimizing your campaigns to achieve the best possible results. So, how do you get started with PPC? First, you need to choose the right platform for your business. There are several options available, such as Google AdWords, Facebook ads, and LinkedIn ads. Each platform has its own unique features and benefits, so it's important to choose the one that best fits your business goals and target audience. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to set up your first campaign. This involves choosing your target audience, crafting compelling ad copy, selecting the right keywords, and setting your bid amounts. It may sound complicated, but don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials and guides available to help you every step of the way. That's it! With PPC, you can take your online business to new heights and reach more customers than ever before. So what are you waiting for? Start your PPC journey today and watch your business grow.